This is a video on how to use auto framing and speaker tracking features. Here is the contents. You can choose the part you want to see. Open Link Chrome Connect software and select the camera card. Select device settings. Enable tracking feature. You need to calibrate the lens in advance before using auto framing. Select lens calibration. Select auto framing from tracking mode drop-down menu. You can set the tracking speed to fast, medium, or slow. Here is the demonstration. Auto framing can realize real-time detection and position tracking of all people in a meeting. In addition, the camera can be automatically adjusted according to the number and location of participants, so that all participants are included in the picture. Open Link Chrome Connect software and select the camera card. Select device settings. Enable tracking feature. You need to calibrate the lens in advance before using speaker tracking. Select lens calibration. Select speaker tracking from tracking mode drop-down menu. You can set the tracking speed to fast, medium, or slow. Here is the demonstration. In a speaker tracking session, the camera lens can focus on the speaker alone, giving the best close-up of the individual speaker. Enable conversation mode in the tracking mode of speaker tracking. In conversation mode. When an Leoneper speaks, the camera will focus on the speaker alone. When there are two people in a conversation, the camera can recognize and focus on the two speakers.